Hello and welcome back. So we are going to have a dollar yen update. Dollar yen still, forming a correction over there since last 4 or 5 days. We can see that the price is just simply running within that day, that daily correction for more on side. So price is just simply not breaking down as we are having Fed rate to see in next week. And price is just simply, dollar is just simply waiting for that rate to see in. So if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame, 4 hour time frame. Okay, so the bigger time frame analysis is very much same. On daily, we got a nice drop on daily time frame from that top, and price is just simply going went into a correction over there. So I'm gonna look at 1 hour time frame where we were expecting a price to hold the moving averages, because we can see that the price held moving averages nicely for a while. All right, so it held there, dropped, but went into a correction. We haven't seen a significant aggressive sell-off. Then again, managed to went back. Again, we got price section over there. Price started to fall, but again went into a correction very much similar like that. So that's telling us that we are having a bigger correction. So was trying to break through for more downside, then again went higher. So far, price is holding that 1 hour trend to downside moving averages and trying to continue to keep dragging lower. So sellers are just coming within these areas for short term and trying to push the trend downside. So what you are looking, simply again, you are paying attention at that 1 hour moving averages and price to continue to keep dragging lower. First of all, up to this low, and in case if we are going to see significant sell off like that, then the trend to appear and continue to keep dragging lower. So if we don't see that and price again fall correctively, very much similar like that, and go for a bigger 4 hour time frame correction. If I'm gonna go to the 4 hour time frame and we look at that, so there you can see that. So we can see MACD is telling us that the next wave is not ready. Momentum is still for upside within that correction. So there is possibility that the correction even can get on a bigger 4 hour time frame, as we are going to see Fed rate to see next week, and market is just simply dollar is just getting ready for that and being bought ahead of that rate to see in for a while. So that's causing that correction to get bigger, right? So there you are paying attention simply again as shown in the previous update, and the move which we are looking is all the way up to this previous low. So there is another thing that the Bank of Japan still saying that they haven't achieved the 2% target inflation, and that's causing the yen to stay weaker. While on the other hand, Ministry of Finance, they are not happy for the weaker yen, and they have intervened already, and they were watching the dollar yen specifically at the 145 and saying that they may intervene, right? We haven't seen intervention. We have seen intervention verbally that caused the dollar to drop, and other other reasons as well, like bad US data. So on lower time frame, as explained, trend is appearing over there. 1 hour time frame correction is just getting bigger. We may get a bigger 4 hour time frame correction. Yeah, but the areas or the places which I have just shown you to pay attention for short term moves. All right, so you're looking for these short term moves first. All right, so these short term moves and these short term moves to keep falling and continue to keep breaking lower. All right.